Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Tor.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw
The Gingerbread Man from the story of the Gingerbread Man.
Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay, and about here we're going to start off with his head. So we're going to kind of draw like a circle or an oval shape, but we're going to stop 3/4 of the way around. So we're going to leave this bit white. So I'm going to go round like that and stop.
Why not a full head?
That's a huge head. Yeah. Okay.
Why one's a gingerbread man when he drank a giant potion?
Is it a head growing potion? Okay, that's good.
No, he's gonna have a giant body too.
Okay, giant body. Okay, so look here, we're going to do another curve going that way. Right.
For his arm.
Like that, for his arms, yeah.
Yeah.
And then on this side, I'm going to do another curve going that way for his other arm. And let's leave like a space, like a finger space, and just make a little mark there. And on this side, do the same, make a finger space and make a little mark there. Yeah. And then what I'm going to do, on the ends of these arms, I'm going to do half a circle like that. And half a circle like that. And then I'm going to join that up to there, so I'm going to go around like that. Round like that. Okay, and then just under his arms, I'm going to do a curved line, and it's going to go right down to about here. Okay, so it's going to go like that. That's great. And on this side, it's about the same level, so look, slowly you can stop. I'm going to want to do another line like that. Okay, so where the bottom of his body is, about there, I'm going to draw a straight line. And then I'm going to do a curved line that side. And then I'm going to do another curved line that side. And then I'm going to make for his feet, I'm going to do like a half a circle, like that. Half a circle, like that. And again. Awesome. Okay, so now we've got to do his face. So halfway up, I'm going to do a little dot there and a little dot there. Done that, and then halfway in between and then down a little bit, I'm just going to give him a little smiley face like that. And on his body, I'm going to draw 3 circles. So I'm going to draw a circle here, a circle here, and a circle there.
Dad, is that one going to be his bow tie?
Yes, it is. Actually, I've dropped it a little bit too low, but don't worry, I'll think of something. Okay, so here, for his bow tie, I'm going to do like almost like an M or a butterfly wing on either side, like that.
Yeah, I've done this before.
Yeah? And then I'm going to go round it like this.
Some giant.
Okay. And then I'm going to do a little bit more like it's icing sugar. So I'm going to do inside here, I'm going to do another little circle there, another little circle there, another little circle there, another little circle there. Okay, that's great. Now his arms, I'm going to do on his hand, just below there, I'm going to do like a wiggly line like that.
Like a worm.
Like a worm, yeah. And on this side, I'm going to do a wiggly line like that.
Another worm.
And then, guess what? I'm going to do a worm where his feet are. Do an arm like that. And another one over this side, like that. And then I'm going to follow that shape like that. And then follow it and do another wiggly one that side. Guess what I'm going to do up here?
Another one.
Yep.
I can tell what you're going to do.
You can tell what I'm going to do. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to do another wiggly line there, and another wiggly line there.
That's too much frosting.
Too much frosting? You can't have too much frosting. Okay.
Now it looks like he's wearing boots.
That's the point. He's got boots made out of icing.
No, he doesn't.
And then we're going to follow those lines.
Wait, a fourth one?
Yes, a fourth one.
What? No!
Yeah? Okay.
He has too many He has too many icing sugar, Dad.
Right, and then I'm going to give him a belt. So I'm going to do a wiggly line going through there like that.
I never thought the gingerbread man has a belt.
And then I'm going to do another wiggly line like that. And then up there, I'm going to do another wiggly line.
When you first did that line, I thought you were going to do a straight line.
Okay. Right, and should we make it look like he's jumping?
Yeah, jumping.
So if I do a couple of straight horizontal lines there, in black it looks like he's jumping up off the ground. Okay? Right. Shall we colour it in? Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. That is awesome. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial. And if you've got any comments and suggestions, drop them in the box below.
Make sure to hit the bell button in the Facebook video
to get the notifications. We've got some more tutorials coming up next, so stick with us. Thank you very much for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.